everyone, this is Leah the Bunny 123. Sorry if I just sound weird. I have a little bit of cold, so sorry if my voice sounds bad in the recording. But anyway, in my last video, I got the Megan's Bear, I think it's called, and I dressed up my deer, and I got the Greely's Jamaaliday gauntlets. Nothing's really loading right now, but then I remember I also got the snowman, and I got the peppermint stuff and changed my den around. But anyway, today we're gonna look around, see if there's any more Christmas stuff. I mean, jamaaliday stuff. Maybe get ready. And for those of you who celebrate Hanukkah, I feel like it's, I don't know, I feel like it's a little unfair that they don't have that stuff, but totally fine. Anyway, so yeah, let's get going. Loading. Anyway, so we are going to Epic Wonders. We just have to wait for this to load. Okay, I'm now in Epic Wonders. Oh my god, cool brown tiger. Not loading. Ooh. Well, that didn't work. Anyway, I'm gonna go see if there's any cool jamaaliday stuff. This is taking so long to... okay, let's see if this works. Well, looks like nothing's working. Might as well go to Jamaaliday Township. Wait, what? She is watching you. Just look at Peck's face. It's scary. Still loading. I don't know what to say. What? Okay. Wait a second. It says I'm in Jamaaliday Township, but I'm not anywhere in Epic Wonders. Maybe. What is happening? Okay, so I had to sign out and log back in. So I'm in Jamaaliday Township. Oh my god, no. Wait, what? Okay, so something really weird happened. The sound suddenly turned off, but it's on and we still have like sound effects. I don't know what's wrong with this computer. But, anyway, this whole video was about jamaaliday stuff, so let's go into Jamart Furniture. See how long this takes to load. Oh my god, here's the music again. Oh, this is really weird. Oh my god, this is weird. And yet it's still loading. How long am I gonna wait? The sound turned off again. What's happening? I just don't understand. Okay, so I'm sort of having to end the video just because the computer is being really weird, but maybe I can make another video. So maybe I don't know, maybe I could figure something out later, but we tried to get into the video and we ran into some really weird glitches, but it's all okay. But I'll see you in my next video. Also, please like and subscribe, because I really want to get 100 subscribers, even though I'm not even at 20. So can you please help make that happen? I'll be so thankful. So, see you in my next video. Bye!